first, and then I'll go to the side so you can see what I'm doing. All you're going to do with your hammers is kind of just hold them at a comfortable position. If you don't have hammers, small hand weights like about a pound. Like these, I think these are probably about maybe 16 ounces each on mine. So what's that, about a pound each? Yeah, about a pound is all you need. If you have heavier ones, go for it. Let me know in your comments how you did with that. All right, so the arms are going to go forward, and you're just going to bend your knees and then bring them back down. The uniqueness of having a small weight in your arms is, can you hold your posture with your arms against that extra weight and the length of the lever, right? So what is unique about a hammer is the weight is not close to the end that you're holding. It's further away from you, so that creates an added challenge. So this is what the squat would look like from the side, right? So I'm just squatting down. Be very careful, and I'll do it on another video to show you how to squat correctly. Be very careful not to fall into this habit where people fold forward like this, and then they come up and they tuck their butt, right? They do this, you've seen that, right? Where they, and a lot of people do that. You want to literally just go straight down like you're trying to sit down, not sit back, right? So let's go about 2 more here, and then up. 1 more. Then after this, we're going to stay doing the same move. You're going to lift the arms all the way to the ceiling, and then bring them back down. Just the added change of position of where the arms are going creates an extra challenge. Oftentimes people will watch, like most of you who are sitting there today, and go, oh, well that looks super easy, and it's only a pound in each hand. Until what? They start doing it. Right, Ella?
Yeah, I just felt the change.
Up and down.
In a bad way, which is a good way.
All right, so now from here, what's going to happen is as we go down to our squat and our arms go overhead, we're going to add a bend of the elbows. Just be careful not to hammer the back of your body. And then straighten the arms out and bring them down. Doing that again. So it's like a tricep extension. Elbows will bend, arms will straighten as you rise, and lower down. 4 more. Bend, straighten, and lift. Last 3. Having and maintaining control over the arms as they've been inserted.
Harder than it feels. I mean, it looks.
Yes, it is. What number are we on? 2 more, right? I think. I don't count very well.
1 more.
1 more? No more. Yama's counting. That's a good thing. Bend and straighten and come down from here. Right? And you get a little cardio work in. So this is perfect if you're just sitting around watching Facebook right now. Just jump up off your couch, off your chair, and you can do it. You don't have to have a hammer to do it. It'll just get you moving. That's it. All right, we're going to go into a back lunge. So all we're going to do from here is we're going to step backwards with 1 foot, right? So we're going to step back and then drop our knee toward the floor. It doesn't have to go really far down, and then come back up. You're going to step back again and drop down, and come back up. This time the arms reach forward, and come back up. Reach back, and rise. 3 more here. Get a little wobbly. Drinking a little bit too much water today. 1 more here.
No, I've been good. She took my measurements yesterday, so.
I did.
She did. So
Reach back and hold here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hold the lunge, but as you lift up, you bring your arms up, and as you lower down, they reach forward. You're really focusing on that glute on the leg that's in the front, trying to push you up. And then lower down. 2 more up, and then down. 1 more up, and then down. Now we're going to add into that. This time we're going to hold the arms overhead, and as we straighten our leg, we bend the elbows back, and we reach them up straight as we bend our knee. So we're just trying to lower the back knee toward the floor, keeping the arms still and stable, except for at the elbow. 3 more here. Woo. Bend and straighten. 1 more here, and down, and step forward.
I bet there's a repeat on the other side.
There has to be, right? We're just going to do those little dots at the end of this. Oh, we're having trouble playing the video. Well, hopefully y'all are still there. I don't know. Shoot. I guess it might be still going.
Okay.
We're gonna actually, yeah, it says it's still going, we just can't see it.
Okay.
So sorry guys for the interruption. On our end, we can't see what's happening, and the other made a note of that. We're just definitely not a technology-friendly pair, so to speak. So we're going to go in the other leg and hope this is still going live, right? Well, so I was going to have to do this a whole thing again.
Oh my God.
All right, so we're going to step back with the other leg. So we're going to step back here and come up. So we're going to step back into that lunge, dropping that knee down and lift. Step back and lift. 3 more here. And it's back to the old school days where you couldn't see what was recording if you were being recorded. Right? 1 more here. Hopefully you guys can see what we're doing. Now hold the lunge here. What's going to happen is you're going to hold the lunge but straighten the legs, arms lift, lower the arms and bend both knees. Good. 4 more here. And 3. Lower down as I start to wobble. 2, so you're really working that glute on the front leg. 1 more, come back down, hold here, bring the arms up. So now, as we straighten our leg, we bend the elbows back, and as we bend the knees, we straighten the arms up.
Wait, I'm there.
And then we bend the elbows back. I can't look at you because otherwise I'll start to wobble. Like if you start to wobble, I'll wobble. And 3 more here. Bend and come back. Straighten and go down. 2 more. Bend and go back. Straighten and down. Last one. Bend and go back. Straighten and go down. And step forward. Okay, I told you we were going to work our legs.
It's a good workout.
All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do a lunge to the front. So instead of this stepping back and down, we're going to lunge forward. Oftentimes when people lunge forward, they put too much weight into their toes and let their knee go too far forward, okay? The fix for that is also usually incorrect, where they end up keeping their knee dead smack straight over their ankle. We don't want that. We want a little bit of more of a dynamic position where the knee goes toward the toe, but it's not over the toe. You see my posture difference here? Right? So I'm not trying to hold it where my knee is straight over my ankle. I do want my knee to go forward of my ankle in the direction of my toes, so I have space for my feet. Right. So what we're going to do is we're going to step forward with 1 foot, drop that back knee, and step back. Same leg again. Going forward and back. A lot of times people are nervous about doing lunges because it hurts their knee. And typically it's because they're putting too much weight into their knee, which is why it hurts. Right? Now let's add some arms in because we have these hammers here. This time we're going to take the opposite hand. Then the leg will reach forward and come back. Do that again. What happens when we're doing this with the opposite arm and opposite leg is we challenge the stabilizers of our spine so that our body holds its position so it doesn't rotate. Do 2 more here and back, and 1 more here and back. Now, same leg, the other arm goes forward. Okay? So same arm, same leg. We go forward here. What you'll notice is it's probably a little bit more challenging because you become more wobbly when you do same arm, same leg. Right? The other way is much more stable.
I'm concentrating.
And 1 more. We're going to add 1 more piece into this, and as we go forward, our other arm is going to reach backwards and then come in. And it reaches and it comes in. 3 more here. 3 and back. 2 and back. 1 more here. Now, to make sure that they stay safe, especially when they have
Yes.
hammers. I just don't want them to drop them on their toes.
Oh, no.
And I have done that before. All right, other leg is forward. So no arms right now. We're just going to step forward and lunge down and push back. So what this is working is the muscles really on the leg that's standing behind us, right? Because that's where our push and pull are coming from, right? Here I'm launching off that front leg, shifting to my back leg, right? Good. Add the opposite arm in, right? So it goes forward and I come back. 5 more. 4 more here. And then 3. 2 more here. And then 1 more. Same arm, same leg. Okay. Goes forward and back from here. 4 more.
You're so silent, I just go, oh.
3.
I'm the normal person.
You're
Right
just,
here.
is that what you're saying?
I'm saying you just,
Follow yellow. Right?
I'm a normal person. This is visible.
Are you saying I'm admiral?
I'm saying I'm super strong.
All right, now the back arm is going to go backwards as you go forward. So we're going to go here into that split position. Don't worry how high the back arm goes. We're just creating that swing back, right? 2 more here and center. Last one here and center. Adding in the rotation. Okay. All right, so we're going to step forward here, hold, rotate with the rotation. Now swing that back arm around front as you step. So it's almost simultaneous.
All right.
I'm getting out of breath.
Mm-hmm.
I like to tell people
She's
that.
got to hit your hammers.
I have a heavy hammer. I roll with a heavy hammer, right? I'm trained with a heavy hammer. All right. So step forward, reach back, hold here, but rotate. Now come back together and bring both arms together. Go back again. So reach, and then rotate it. 3 more. Reach with that rotation, and come back in. 2 more here, and come back in. And 1 more. My arms are wanting to sag down. Whoa, I missed that one. I'm going to do it one more time because I wobbled my
You
rock.
wobbled.
I know. Look, I'm getting hammered.
She's not perfect. She's getting hammered.
Exactly. So we're going to go back. I'm going to remedy the situation. And come back and bring the arms down. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Hopefully you're still standing. And we'll be back tomorrow around the same time for another Get Hammered series for this week. What's today? Wednesday. So we have like 2 more.
Yeah.
That we have going on. So make sure you tune in. Feel free to share this with anybody else you want, because I have it as a public. Also, if you want to help this content grow and continue to grow, feel free to go and visit my Patreon page, which is linked in my description here. But if you go to the Patreon website and just put in my name, Cindy Byer, you'll find my page right there. So guys, thank you so